সি মোবাইলটো ভাঙিলে। He broke the phone. He broke the phone. সি যোৱা ৰাতি মোক ফোন কৰিছিলে। He called me last night. He called me last night. বাৰ বাৰ ফোন নকৰিবা। Don't call over and over. Don't call over and over. পাৰা যদি আৰু এটা লৈ আনা। If possible, bring one more. If possible, bring one more. যদি পাৰা তাক কৈ দিবা। If possible, tell him. If possible, tell him. তুমি গৈ পালানে? Have you reached? Have you reached? তুমি গুৱাহাটীলৈ গৈছানে? Have you been to Guwahati? Have you been to Guwahati? মই কেতিয়াও গুৱাহাটীলৈ যোৱা নাই। I've never been to Guwahati. I've never been to Guwahati. তুমি বহুত দেৰিৰ পৰা ৰৈ আছা নেকি? Have you been waiting for long? Have you been waiting for long? তুমি ৰোহিতক দেখিছা নেকি? Have you seen Rohit? Have you seen Rohit? সি কঁঠাল ভাল নেপায়। He doesn't like jackfruits. He doesn't like jackfruits. তাৰ দুজনী ভনীয়েক আছে। He has two sisters. He has two sisters. সি ভাবে মোৰ তাক ভাল লাগে। He thinks I like him. He thinks I like him. মই 10 মিনিটত ঘূৰি আহিম। I'll be back in 10 minutes. I'll be back in 10 minutes. মোৰ জন্মদিন মাৰ্চত হয়। My birthday is in March. My birthday is in March. তুমি কিমান দিন থাকিবা? How many days are you going to stay? How many days are you going to stay? বাইকেৰে কিমান সময় লাগে? How long does it take by bike? How long does it take by bike? আপোনাৰ কেইজন সন্তান আছে বা কেইটা সন্তান আছে? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? আপোনাৰ পৰিয়ালত কেইজন মানুহ আছে? How many people do you have in your family? How many people do you have in your family? সব মিলাই কিমান মানে সকলো মিলাই কিমান? How much altogether? How much altogether? এই শাৰ্টটোৰ দাম কিমান? How much is this shirt? How much is this shirt? মই কালি এটা শাৰ্ট কিনিলো। I bought a shirt yesterday. I bought a shirt yesterday. সদায় কেইটকা খৰচ হয়? How much does it cost per day? How much does it cost per day? আপুনি কিমান উপাৰ্জন কৰে? How much money do you make? How much money do you make? ইয়াত আপুনি মেকৰ ঠাইত earn ইউজ কৰিব পাৰে। How much money do you earn? তুমি কিমান ওখ হয়? How tall are you? How tall are you? কাম কেনেকুৱা চলিছে? How is work going? How is work going? মোৰ ওচৰত এতিয়া টাইম নাই। I don't have time right now. I don't have time right now. মোৰ কোনো আপত্তি নাই। I don't mind. I don't mind. মোৰ কাপোৰ ধুবলগীয়া আছে। I have to wash my clothes. I have to wash my clothes. মোক আৰু এটা লাগে। I need another one. I need another one. মোৰ ওচৰত মাত্ৰ 500 টকা আছে। I have only 500 rupees. I have only 500 rupees. মই মোৰ এজন পুৰণা বন্ধুক দেখিলো। I saw an old friend of mine. I saw an old friend of mine. মই তাক ৰাতিপুৱা দেখিছিলো। I saw him this morning. I saw him this morning. মোৰ এতিয়াও বহুত বস্তু কিনিবলগীয়া আছে। I still have a lot of things to buy. I still have a lot of things to buy. মই এতিয়ালৈকে সিদ্ধান্ত লোৱা নাই। I still have not decided. I still have not decided. মই ভাবো তুমি ডক্তৰক দেখুৱাৰ প্ৰয়োজন। I think you need to see a doctor. I think you need to see a doctor. তোমাৰ ওচৰত বহুত কাপোৰ আছে। You have too much clothes. You have too much clothes. মই সকলো কথা পাহৰিব বিচাৰিছো। I want to forget the whole thing. I want to forget the whole thing. মই পাকঘৰত আছিলো। I was in the kitchen. I was in the kitchen. মোৰ ওচৰত এটা থকা হলে I wish I had one. I wish I had one.